Hey guys,
Hey.
Nick and Lynn.
You know how we were talking about that cleanup?
Yeah, well, this is the cleanup.
She's the babysitter.
She decided that
to my butt?
yeah, we're gonna have to like actually get on our knees and scrub before.
Yeah, like a maid.
Yeah, Swiffers don't work for this kind of mess. So guys, we warned you, the mess is the biggest part. Okay guys, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Oh wait, before, we're gonna give the camera a look into my almighty telescope thing that I made. Say look inside of it. Oh, it's cool. I made it. Here, Kaylin, you look inside of it. I just showed the camera, they're looking inside of it right now. Look inside of it.
It's cool.
No, you have to go like that and look inside of it. It's not, stop it. Look at yourself in the thing. There's no paint on your eyes. Try. Dummy.
Aren't you a little bit too close, Melissa?
Guys, come on. It won't go out. Bye, guys.
Bye.